projects and all. What is your say? Kalu issue झालं.
I don't think. You are generalizing everything. I don't think you can say the constituency is opposing.
Constituency लोक.
The constituents are opposing everything.
हां.
I don't think so. Basically what they are, anxiety is basically for various reasons. Reason number one, I believe, though I must admit nobody has come to me, I believe reason number one is they are not sure whether projects are being passed as per the law. I think many a project, as per the law, you are supposed to put a board outside displaying all the permissions. So I think many a project is coming where this board is not being displayed. Then when I say this, it need not be only Mumbai constituency. I think it's in most of Goa.
No, but are you okay when there is the issue of problem of water and the distress regular issues? More constructions coming in any constituency. Are you okay with that?
Who tells you no construction is coming up in any constituency? Who tells you that?
No, I'm talking about your constituency.
No, my constituency also. Who tells you no construction is coming up?
तशें म्हणना एज जाल्यार आयू ओके काम तो
I have no issue if construction is put as per the law.
No, पण what about the carrying capacity, sir?
What is your definition of carrying capacity?
उदकाचो प्रॉब्लेम जाता पळय.
Utka's problem it's asa. I am telling you, I am admitting myself. You tell me what is to be done when there are breakdowns in the main pipeline. What is to be done when there are breakdowns in the power supply? Now you'll ask me what is the connection between power supply and water? If there is no power supply in Selauli, which is our main source of water in the south, the pumps don't work there.
पण सरकार तुमच्यात ना सर.
Sarkar, amchi, मानता हूँ. Are you telling me earlier government there were no power breakdown?
त्यांना तुम्हीच आणले ना.
No.
पहिल्या गव्हर्नमेंटाने.
My issue is very simple. And I'm saying unfortunately, because these breakdowns have been a little too regular in my constituency. Various reasons. PWD works are going on as vis-a-vis the roads. Now you take that stretch in front of Agnella. I think it's a very nice work done by PWD.
No, but
Let me finish. But during the construction of that road, the JCBs have led to breakdowns in the pipeline. Unfortunately, I am stressing on the word unfortunately, the water consumer is suffering.
but sir, are you okay?
I live in Raya. My house is on a slope. There are so many days we don't have water.
No, but don't you think Panchayat also should take in consideration local say? Baba, एक building येता जाल्यार.
I would like to know how many of the locals have not constructed houses themselves.
Residential is fine, no sir.
No, I'm talking of residential. I'm talking of residential.
I'm talking about buildings.
Buildings are what, not residential? Say you want roads or you want trees. I'm of the opinion, my personal view again, we should, if required, cut the tree. Simultaneously ensure that we grow new plants or trees.
Does it happen?
Why not? I'm giving you an example.
No, but does it
I am
happen?
giving you an example. I am tomorrow distributing plants that have been given to me by the government. I am telling you, tell the constituents in my constituency, whoever wants trees, I will arrange from forest.
They don't
department.
come?
No. And I'll go a third step. I normally love to give trees to the religious. And you may ask me why religious? Number one, they have their own land. Number two, my experience is they take pain to ensure, to look, to nurse that plant that they planted.
No, but
So the plant is not wasted. The plant is not wasted. And that tree grows into a tree, that plant grows or sapling grows into a tree.
so पण इतल्या वर्सांची येदी व्हडली झाडां का सामकीच कापून
तुजे
उडोवप.
भाशेन कितें झाडां वयल्यान रोस करपाची.
ना पूण ती झाडां तुज्यान आतां पणजेन देखून एक झाड काडून सायडीक केल्लें तशें जायना.
I have not thought of.
No, but you don't think that is a good idea?
I have not thought of. So I'll not comment on it.
कित्याक सद्याक पावस देखून पळय सर आमी खूंय पावल्या ते
How's it?
पावस पळय येता तो टायमार येयना झाडां ना एनवायरमेंट
You want to tell me earlier years there have not been delayed monsoons?
आय एम जस्ट सेयिंग
No,
सर
I'm asking, no. I have a right, just as you have a right to ask me, I have a right to ask you.
agreed
There have been delays. No?
but the way trees are being cut and everything is correct so many trees
Tree enter, if tomorrow you have to expand your house, you have to cut a tree. You not cut to construct your house.
हांव ते सायडीक व्हरोन
So
दवरतलो
what are you trying to tell me? That we should stop all development?
नो 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 हांव ते झाडां व्हरोन सायडीक घालतलो रोयतलो आहलो
Very easy to say. Very easy to say.
For me, it is hard, might be. For government, it is easy, not
No,
easy.
it is not. Process is so cumbersome.
Okay.
Maybe we can think of it in the future.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.